Welcome to my channel, Smiley Kitty.
Hey there! You're watching our fun learning show. Wait, these playful kittens want to say hello too. But we can't stay too long, because today we are learning subtraction. Subtraction means taking numbers away. Look at these 3 kittens. One runs away. How many are left?
Yes, 2.
3 minus 1 equals 2. You have 2 fish treats and give 1 away. What is 2 minus 1?
Yes, 1.
There are 5 pies and 2 are sold. What is 5 minus 2? Yes, 3. The bakery had 8 cookies and 4 were sold. What is 8 minus 4? Yes, 4. There were 9 cupcakes and 7 were sold. What is 9 minus 7? Yes, 2. What is 6 minus 6? Yes, 0. Nothing is left. What is 4 minus 0? Yes, 4. Nothing was taken away. There are 7 cats and 6 go home. What is 7 minus 6?
Yes, 1.
There are 10 penguins and 3 slide away. What is 10 minus 3? Yes, 7. What is 9 minus 5? Yes, 4. What is 6 minus 3?
Yes, 3.
There were 3 cupcakes and 1 was eaten. Now how many are left? Yes, 2. What is 8 minus 6? Yes, 2. What is 7 minus 2? Yes, 5. What is 10 minus 4? Yes, 6. What is 5 minus 3? Yes, 2. What is 9 minus 2? Yes, 7. Yes, 5. Look at that sleepy kitten. All this learning made it tired. Great job! You did an amazing job learning subtraction. Remember, subtraction means taking numbers away. See you next time!